Hello guys, welcome back to CADmake. In today's video we are going to create an internal gear in Solidworks with the help essential features and commands. We'll also customize its appearance to give it a professional look. I hope you'll enjoy it. Now if you're ready, let's get started. Go to the File menu. Click New. Click on Part and click OK. Now go to the Sketch. Click on Sketch. Choose the front plane. Now take the Circle command and draw a circle of 100 mm diameter in the origin. Draw another circle of 80 mm diameter at the same origin. Click OK. Now go to the Features. Click Extruded Boss command. Give the extrusion value as 20 mm, click OK. Click on this surface. Click Sketch. Take the Center Line command and draw a line from the origin to the upside like this. Click Exit. Go to the background scene and select plain white. Take the Circle command and draw 70 mm diameter circle from the origin point. Click OK. Zoom it. Select this edge. Click Convert Entities. Now take the 3-point arc command and draw it like this. Click Exit. Take the Mirror command. Select this arc, click here. Select this line as reference of mirror. Click OK. Take the Trim Entities command and erase these circles with Power Trim. Click OK. Now take the Smart Dimension command and give the value to this line as 2.5 mm. Click OK. Distance from this point to this one is 6.5 mm. Click OK. Give the radius to this arc as 10 mm. Click OK. Again click OK to finish the command. Sketch is fully defined. Make it normal. Now go to the Features. Click Extruded Boss command. Click Reverse Direction. Select here up to the surface. Choose this surface. Click OK. Now select Extruded Boss 2. Take the Circular Pattern command. Click here and select this edge as a reference direction. Give the pattern number as 24. Click OK. Here we see it looks perfect and amazing now. Zoom it. Now go to the Appearance. Click Metal. Click on Iron and choose the Cast Iron. Now click on Appearance Color. Choose the color. Click on Surface Finish. Choose here Cast Iron. Drag this rectangle to see highlight the cast patterns. It's perfect. Click OK. Now go to the Visual Styles and select the Cartoon mode. It's enough for today. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share and comments. Thanks for watching.